Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 6.4 part 1 of pre-algebra math part 1 we're doing today. This will be introduction 1 or part 1. We have a 22-point skill sheet and we have 0 points here of note taking today. Similar and congruent figures, so we're breaking into geometry here and about similarity and congruence. Basic geometry concepts, points, lines, and planes, word notation, diagram. So in the word point, notation be point A. This would be how it would look on a diagram. And then line, this would be line BC. And then this would be how it would look in the diagram here. And then a plane, M, say. And then this would be a plane M here. It would look like in geometric drawing. So we have this situation here. Use the diagram to name 3 points, 2 lines, and a plane. So 3 points are point J, point K, and point L. Point K, point J, and point L. 2 lines are KL. So we got KL here, and then JL. This would be line JL here. And then the plane is just whole plane here is plane P. Segments, rays, and angles. So in a word, a line segment or segment length of a line segment would be like this. This would be a line segment AB. And then length of a line segment, it would be AB here. So this would be line segment AB. And then the length would just be called AB. Here's the diagram here, AB. And then an array would look like this, CD, and this would be an endpoint, and it shoots off that way. That would be array. And then an angle, measure of an angle. So this is an angle, and then the measure of an angle. We have an M here in front of the angle, and then which angle it is, measure angle F. And then this would be the situation here of angle F. Here's your vertex here, EFG. Okay, so example, use the diagram to name two segments and their lengths, 2 rays, and an angle and its measure. Okay, so a segment is MP. So where's M? It'd be MP here. Would be a line segment, MP, and MP is 4 centimeters. So between here and here would be 4 centimeters. And then another segment would be NP here. And it is 6 centimeters between here and here. It'd be 6 centimeters. And then 2 rays are PM. This shoots off that way. And PN shoots off this way. And then the angle is angle P here. And the measure of angle P would be 80 degrees P. So triangles, quadrilaterals, and congruent parts. We have a word as triangle. There is the symbol for it. There's a diagram for a triangle. Quadrilateral is made of 4 segments that intersect only at their endpoints. Quadrilateral PQRS, which is this here. So PQRS would be the quadrilateral. And then we have congruent segments that have equal lengths, and congruent angles have equal measures. Congruent sides of a figure are marked using tick marks. And congruent angles of a figure are marked using arcs. So the symbol for congruence is this. You have an equal sign with a tilde above the equal sign like that. Okay, identify angle side, congruent angles, and congruent sides of this triangle here. So the angles of triangle are X, Y, and Z, X, Y, and Z. And the sides of the triangle are X, Y, Y, Z, and XZ. So congruent angles would be angle X. Angle X here, we have this situation here, which is an arc. And then angle Z would be an arc here. And they symbolize congruency. These both here are the same measure. Congruent sides are X, Y, and then Y, Z. They have this tick mark here, which means that they're congruent as well. Okay, this is your exercise, students, to do in class. Teachers, you can walk around and watch your students and help them if you wish. They're to hand this in with their classwork, and this is worth 10 points here today. And that's today's lesson for 6.4 part 1 Part 2 is coming up. Part 3, you have to email me here for that. Thank you.